सारे अम्यूनिटीज़ है क्लब मार्वल में, और बाय जेपी इंफ्रा नॉर्थ गार्डन सिटी एट मीरा रोड, एक जगह जहाँ आई नेवर कम बिफोर and I'm wondering why I didn't come, because it's absolutely beautiful, or there's so much space over here. It's so nice for kids, so much to do for adults, especially the club, क्योंकि of course you know, after getting a home you want to know कि शाम को जिस तरह से फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर you know, the theaters, the activities for the kids, I feel the fitness, yoga, सब कुछ जो आज I feel बॉम्बे में नहीं है. I live in Bandra and you know I have a space there, but I know कि मुझे क्लब पे जाना है. यहाँ क्लब जेपी इंफ्रा के you know, ये जो कम्युनिटी में है, और I think it works to have both the club as well as a home in a space with so much space, and that's the best part about it.
और क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे एमिनिटीज़ के बारे में? ऑफ कोर्स यू आल्सो टेल अस अबाउट कि आपने बोला ये कि मुंबई में उतनी एमिनिटीज़ नहीं मिलती है, सो व्हाट इज़ डिफरेंट अबाउट क्लब मार्वल दैट यू आर गेटिंग?
So Club Marvel में from what I saw inside is I was really surprised. There is everything from fitness, yoga. There's so much for kids to do. Kids play areas. I just went and I saw upstairs. There's so much space and it's so beautifully done. And it's 1 lakh square foot of space, which I think is incredible. आजकल बॉम्बे में इतनी छोटी जगह के लिए you know we are paying that much, और उसके साथ कुछ आता भी नहीं, maybe just a swimming pool and maybe a small gym, but over here to have such a big club along with so much space is quite something.
So what do you want to recommend to the people, those who want to come here? क्या कुछ recommend करें लोगों को?
Actually, मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि you know ये जो quality of life जो हम भूल जाते हैं, क्योंकि we are all here in Mumbai to make money, to earn a living. I think रोजी रोटी, और उसमें I feel we forget about actually having a good time. We do not get much time with the family. I feel that in Club Marvel you're getting all that, and it's pretty close. I came from the airport and it was very close. It wasn't even that far away. So to have so much, फिर हम दूर नहीं जाएंगे, हम malls नहीं जाएंगे, हम यहाँ ही रहेंगे. That's the best part about this place.
What is the one most important thing that you look for in a home? Like क्या कुछ ऐसा देखती हो जो यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है?
I feel the one important thing for me as a mother is I look for कि बच्चों के साथ मैं क्या करूँ स्कूल के बाद, और that's the most important thing. और बच्चों के लिए इतने, first of all it's a very safe space. I feel that the kids can just come and have a great time with their friends in the building, और that is for me as a mother. I want that. Of course fitness, yoga और सब मेरे लिए भी है, but as a mom I think that's most important.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.